How to hide likes on Substack profile. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide that you can follow up for that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So it is pretty simple if you want to do so. All you gotta do is first of all head over to substack.com or download the application and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you can look out for the profile option. On your left hand side, you should be finding a menu. Click on the profile option from your home page and profile opens up. Now here we just need to go over and look out for this option called edit profile and click on it, and that will open up this profile edit section where we can update our information. Now all we gotta do is from the following sections, scroll down and go to the section for activity privacy. Here we can control which type of activity appear on our profile and other discovery surfaces. So if you want to go ahead and hide likes, we just need to turn off this option for your likes, this toggle option, turn it off. And once you've done that, you can look out for this option called done in the top right corner. Click on it and save it up. And that will basically what it will do is it will reduce how much activity your likes is shown publicly. And apart from that, you can also control, avoid engaging publicly if you do not want them visible, because some likes may appear in activity feeds of others even after you do so. And that's it. Usually this is how you should be able to do it. It is pretty quick and simple. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.